Good afternoon, friends. This is El Caminero, Borongan City, sharing you the view of Borongan Bye-Bye Boulevard. You know, my friend, I am now at the center of this Boulevard Bye-Bye Bay. So, at the other end, ahead is going to the north, Sabang, Barangay Sabang North and Barangay Sabang South. So you can see many trees along the Bye-Bye Boulevard. It's very nice to stand by here, this place. So we'll proceed to walk to the other side, going to the south. So let's go. For at least, my estimate is 3 kilometers this B Boulevard. 3 kilometers only my estimate. So you can see ahead all planted with the trees. Okay.